Section 2.2.RA-7, we're going to use the applet available below to complete parts A through C. So in your question, you're given the histogram, and then you have your starting point and you have your bin width. Okay, so we want to say how many classes are in a histogram for the 5-year rate of return data when the starting point is 8 and the bin width is 2. So down here we have the starting point, which is located at 8. Okay, so that means down here we want to make sure that the number is located here. It says 8. And then the bin width we want to change to make sure, so we need to scroll to the right to get the value of 2. So we have a starting point of 8, a bin width of 2. So how many classes are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total classes. And therefore for part A, the answer is 6. Part B, we're going to use the same applet. It says how many classes are in the histogram for the 5-year rate of return data when the starting point is 8 and the bin width is 4. So again, we have our starting point at 8, and then we're going to move our bin width to where it says 4 down over here. So when we put that in there, we get 1, 2, 3 classes. So therefore now it's turned into 3 classes. Now part C, it's saying how many classes are in the histogram for the 5-year rate of return data when the starting point is 8 and the bin width is 1. Okay, so again, we have the starting point at 8 and we make the bin width at 1. And then we're going to count the classes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But over here, these are considered 0, so you need to include these that are in between. So that means you got 11 and then 12 that are noted at 0 because it doesn't go any higher. So it's not 10 classes, it's actually 12 classes. So be careful of that.